In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to enable bold text on your Android device. Enabling bold text can make it easier to read and navigate through your phone's interface. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Display. After that, scroll down again and tap Font Size and Style. To bold text on your Android device, simply toggle the switch next to the bold font option. Now the font is bold on my device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.